On activity on-calls, you will be able to see your on-call management. So here you will see all the on-calls that are approved, pending, or declined. Here on statuses, you can filter pending, approved, or declined. You can also see if it's an on-call shift or an on-call working time. So to create a new on-call for your team member, click on Add On-Call, select your employee. If it's on-call shift or working time, select Start Date and Time and the End Date and Time, and then create the on-call. Here, you can also approve in bulk by checking the box and approve all, or clicking inside the on-call request and approve or decline.